Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanchopagama. Coming up next on Uzalo this week, Monday. Kwanda Nonka are shocked by Hleziphi confession. Njeza considered signing a deal with the delivery in order to get what he wants. Tuesday. Sbu Njeza found out it is time to pay back for their freedom while Sbonelo connect with his mother. Wednesday, Sbu and Jeza are out of prison but not free. Nosipho is determined to have a baby, while Nonka is neck deep in debt, struggling without Kwanda and his business. Thursday, Njeza and Sbu gets a chance to pitch an idea to Nkunzi. Kwanda humbles himself and gives a much-needed apology to the Miss Klaba for hating their daughter. Nosipho does the unthinkable to try and hitch Friday. Nomaswazi is forced to reach a compromise with Njeza and Spoon. Nonka has unexpected offer for Kwanda, and Nosipho is unsettled when Mondli pays her a visitor. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.